Now moving on, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale ndaba leya ka Lucas Ribeiro ne. As we all know, Lucas Ribeiro bamreleaseile kule team yakhe sebaze bapostile na ku social media bayabonga ukuthi no, we thank you for your time, whatever. The team is being relegated, which means akabanga ngale ndlela le naye beka hope ukuthi uzoba ngayo kule team le Lucas Ribeiro. Now, Lucas Ribeiro could be returning to Mamelodi Sundowns. However, the biggest challenge now for Sundowns is that there are teams as a Saudi Pro League that are interested in Lucas Ribeiro. And also, the question Mamelodi Sundowns should be asking themselves is, does the Ribeiro want to come back because he wants to play in the PSL? If he wanted to play in the PSL, he wouldn't have left in the PSL. They were ambing a corner to begin with. Does Mamelodi Sundowns even need Ribeiro? Bamsapi. Anginako basayinila bondlovu, banaba bosales nabo banban. They went on and won the CAF Champions League without Ribeiro. So if Ribeiro comes back now, what will he bring for Mamelodi Sundowns that Mamelodi Sundowns haven't achieved? They had won the league before Ribeiro. But waba khona Ribeiro sharp by winning league. But abahlulile amakapa so amancane between Premiership babo MTN aloka khona Ribeiro. Aloka gijimisa ama player wonke grounding. What has he done special that Mamelodi Sundowns baze babona ukuthi ungabuya bandla come back? Is it fair on the players that won the CAF Champions League for Sundowns that Sundowns wants this guy back? Sundowns mtetelena hamba Saudi, mtetelena bamsawune nenzeni imali nibe right. You don't need him. What is he gonna do, Lucas Ribeiro? He's not special ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi manje mele azalandelelwa lokhancengwe. Like I say, uletha amakhape ukuthi Sundowns besejwayele ukwawina. With Ribeiro they won the league. How many times have they won the league before Ribeiro fika? Has he ever won a CAF for them? No. Has he ever played CAF ne Sundowns? Yes. What did he do for a CAF? Obafikise kuphela ku final. Did they win that final? No. Beka khona badliwa lokho khona lo Ribeiro lo. So what makes you think ukuthi uzoyenza anything different or special right now? Sometimes I don't, like I said, I don't understand lama team lawa. Sometimes nama owner wabo, labantu nama technical director wabo ukuthi bacabanga kanjani. Nangu lo mfana lo uNdlovu siyanda Ndlovu. Mamelodi Sundowns has just offered la mfana lo a lot of money. Bamsayinile. Ukhona la mfana lo. They have Tashreeq Matthews. But now Cassius Mailula has returned to Mamelodi Sundowns. Utravela nabo manje to Austria as we speak for a pre-season. It means they have enough attackers. Yini uRibeiro azoyenza lama player angakhona ukuyenza. Because last season Orlando Pirates they beefed up his squad sabo. Orlando Pirates would have won the league nonetheless even if Ribeiro begakon. Whether Ribeiro was there for Sundowns or not, Orlando Pirates was going to win the league. And the mandate was clear for Sundowns last season. They wanted the CAF Champions League more than a league. They won it without Ribeiro. He is not a missing puzzle go Mamelodi Sundowns. He's not even from South Africa. Yazi kuba bathi it's a South African player lele silincenga kanje bengizo understand. Manje siyoncenga umuntu wale Brazil uzala uzoyenza ama million lawo ma million angeka wa enjoy la ekhaya. Uyothatha lawo ma million ayo retire le kasi lakhe ayo enjoy le kasi lakhe. If Lucas Ribeiro is a special player, why didn't that team le yasuka ku Spain offer him a contract he couldn't refuse ukuthi sicela ukumgcina? If he's that special kubuhlalile Spain. Lo muntu uhluleka ku second division yase Spain. Uhlulekile failed ku second division yase Spain. Which South African born player has left South Africa you fail Spain? Eliphi. So there's nothing special that Lucas Ribeiro has done. The only thing is done ukugijimisa ama player we Pirates lesasikhathi kuno Jose Ribeiro. Siyambongela, it was nice to see nokuthi perform kahle ku Club World Cup. Another thing, if this guy is as good as he is, why anga Brazil ya struggle bheka baphume kabhlungu kanjani bona khona manje ku World Cup. Ba struggle lapha ayikho into abo Vinicius Junior bayenza bakhipha indelelo nobumnyama nje lapha. Ayikho into abayenza. Lucas Ribeiro yini azoyenza different for Mamelodi Sundowns? They had a beautiful season last season. Sharp number 2 in the league. Bafethu, they had to lose the league last day. It means bakwazile ukulwa and then bahamba bayewina iCAF Champions League. Instead of niba busy nabo Lucas Ribeiro investani kubo mqwena nibapha ama bonus nan. Focus on what you have and rebuild the squad senu. Kanti bona bazosayina kangaki? Now they're going to go hunt and sign every player that's available in Mamelodi Sundowns. Cassius Mailula ubuyile. Bastrata siyamazi na ukuthi attacker, siyamazi na ukuthi atabalaza, but also now it's a question of does Mamelodi Sundowns need him? What is he going to do different this time? Ayenzile lesasikhathi lesakoqala. What is he going to do different this time? Sometimes abo Miguel Cardoso nabo bangabothula phela bafethu mele babokhuluma babuzi management ukuthi man lokho enibuyisa labantu laba nibabuyisa lana for ini. Do we even need these guys? Are these guys even worth ukuthi babe la eteamini yethu?